The Nile, my eternal companion, has blessed these banks from the dawn of the world. The passage of civilizations, the course of the stars, dawns and dusks are reflected in the flow of its foam. Then halfway through the 20th century, a rumor reaches the hills, an alarm that breaks the peaceful dreaming of its waves. What sort of restlessness is this? A shiver goes through the water. An ominous danger hovers over the temples, an irreparable ravage, utter and imminent damage. Beware, beware, my Nubia.
Today, the 8th of March, 1960, UNESCO responds to the call of Egypt to rescue the monuments of Nubia. The work on the Great Dam has begun. Within 5 years, half the Nile's valley will have been transformed into a vast lake. Prodigious buildings that appear among the most admirable on the planet find themselves in danger of being submerged in the waters. However, this great construction will give prosperity to the people of Egypt. Egypt is a gift of the Nile. May the peoples and nations of the world unite in an effort of brotherhood to prevent the Nile, source of fertility and energy, from becoming the watery grave of some of the wonders of civilization, the heritage of all humanity.
Believe me, I admire mankind deeply. Thanks to the effort of you all, the temples are safe. September 22nd, 1968. This contemporary odyssey is completed.
We have come, O Pharaoh, to preserve your search for eternity, filling our spirits with your desires and rights, We have emptied the mountain down to the heart of your temples. And again we have built in light what you had dug in darkness. And we have discovered that in human works, eternal is only that which makes sense and has value for all mankind. When we are not here anymore, man will continue to come and dream at your feet. Then tell them, Lord of Upper and Lower Egypt, how nations united when the waters threatened to submerge you, and opening the mountain, took your colossi in their arms and carried them high up the cliff, so that you, son of Ra, could bear witness to the magnificence of human brotherhood. There you are safe, ready to start your journey again along the centuries, towards the rising sun of Egypt.
This new splendor takes me back to the old days, to the times of the 19th dynasty. A king carved his destiny. The greatest of the pharaohs, Ramses. I remember his passion, his strength, his iron will. And I remember the first great royal lady, the sweetest of his queens, for whom the sun shines, Nefertari.
How pleasant is the scent of the wild mimosas, my lord.
My beloved, nothing can compare with the intriguing fragrance of your skin.
The royal entourage glide their vessels down the river. Nubia gives them refuge at her bosom.
My lord, the radiant beauty of this landscape is stunning. The air is brilliant as the purest crystal.
Nefertari, beloved of Mut, beauty above the beauties, you are the lady of the lands.
The geometry of the sails gently pushes the royal boats.
Look at the long wake we are leaving behind. Yesterday it had iris shades. Today it is of a turquoise color.
How long is your neck? Your bosom radiates. Your hair is lapis lazuli. And a balm is the touch of your skin.
On its way, the riverbanks adorn the Nile with gold-colored sand.
The sky merges with the water in a golden flood. A thin and bright sheet crosses it.
It is the sun's farewell.
Here, at the gate of Egypt, two sanctuaries celebrate the glory of the royal couple. Ramses as god of the sun, and Nefertari, as the divine star Sophis, create every year, magically, the sacred floodings.
My pharaoh, it is me, and our children around us.
The temple is dedicated to you and to the goddess Hathor.
I am represented by her ritual crown.
Yes, the sun disk, the plumes, and the horns of the sacred cow, symbols of Hathor. The goddess of heaven and fecundity is both mother and wife of Amon-Ra, the sun god. I want our union to be eternal. To create a sublime expression of the solar universe. A magnificent altar where the pharaoh is the sun. The image of Ra-Horachti is the symbol of my power.
Surely the divine dwells in you, my lord. You reign in heaven, on earth, and in the waters of the river. Your glory is the glory of Egypt.
Ptah, the creator, Ammon, the hidden, Ra, the splendor. The three are one, and I, their bond, their union, Ramses, great of victories.
Supreme Sovereign, you are Master and Lord of the Pantheon.
A ritual will revitalize the divine flame, now and forever. Twice a year, the ray of the rising sun will run through the hall's darkness into the Holy of Holies and illuminate the sacred chamber. While Ptah rests in the shade, Ammon and Ra will transmit to me the warm celestial spirit, the primeval being.
King of eternal time.
Yes, I am Pharaoh. I am God.